it's BarbaraMichelle. Today I'm going to work on a wall art project for my daughter, Emma. She loves elephants, and when I was at the dollar store I saw this print. It's supposed to just go straight on the wall, but I'm going to put it on this canvas instead, or that I'm going to attempt. It comes in a few pieces, so we'll see. It's supposed to be like this, you know, and then this is part of the ears, so they'll go there. So that is my plan. First I'm going to cover the canvas with some acrylic paint. Emma loves teal blue. She loves blue in general, but like the teal blue color is her favorite. And this one is called Jamaican Sea. It's just, you know, inexpensive full cart paint. I'm just going to squirt it on and spread it out. Because the elephant has so much design in it, I don't think that I need very much design on the canvas itself. This is a canvas that, it does have gesso on it, I believe, or at least some other sort of paint. It's just one I had here at the house. Ooh, some of my brush hairs are coming off, and that's okay. It'll add a little extra texture to the canvas. Sorry, I know you can't see the whole canvas because my camera doesn't zoom out that far for the height that it's recording at right now. So the first step, like I said, I'm just going to paint the entire canvas this lovely shade of blue. I think it will still look, even there's a different color of blue. I don't know if you can see it, but there we go. In the ear, so, but I still think it'll go well with the other colors that are in the elephant. Okay, so I'm just going to finish painting the entire canvas and let it dry. And then I will be back for step 2 of attempting to place this elephant on here and line it up correctly. Okay, so I have it all painted the color that I chose, that Jamaica Sea. And when I put it down, I'm not really sure if I love it as the background for this elephant. So I have a little bit of silver. I don't have any gray because I would have chosen that. And it was just a tiny bit, so I added some water. I'm going to see what it looks like if I do a thin wash of silver over the top. Since I have no idea, we'll just... Maybe it won't be so thin. So the blue paint wasn't quite dry yet, which I knew. I thought it would kind of mix in better if it was still a little bit wet. Like combine, I don't even know the right word for that. Merge together to make it look like, you know. I probably won't see very much of the middle because that's where the elephant will go. So I'm just using this really long stroke to try and reduce the amount of streaks or brush strokes that I see at the edges. Alright, I really like that actually. Just pull some of those strokes through. I do like seeing the brush strokes, like the lines and stuff. I just don't want to have, like, you know, when you do that and you see like a little bit of a smudge of brush. Okay, I like the blue and the gray combination. So now I am going to let this dry completely, and then I will attempt to put this on. And I mentioned before that some of the bristles from the brush got on the painting. It's a new brush, but it's a cheap one because I abused them, so I just get the cheap ones. But then I was thinking they could be like elephant hairs. So, I mean, it didn't bother me before, but now they just add a little bit of elephant hairs all over the page. Okay, so we'll be back in just a moment. Okay, the canvas is dry, and I've stuck just a couple of like old record albums underneath it to firm up the surface while I attempt to place these down. I'm going to measure and find the center of this canvas. Let's see. Oh, I just kicked the bag. You hear that? So it's 16, so the center will be 8. Let me just find a little bit of a pencil. Okay. When my girls were little, we got these same sort of sticker things for their walls. And they went on lovely, but taking them off was very difficult. Alright, I think that was probably the easiest one to put down. Okay. What do you think? I would imagine that this ear goes here. You see my head again? I don't know. Alright, that's a pretty good match. The scariest part for me is going to be this other half of the elephant. Uh-oh. I almost ripped one of those tusks off. Alright. Okay, that went pretty well. I was just lining up this design here. Okay. Now the other ear. Oops. It's a little bit off center, but that's okay. Maybe I made it crooked or something. That's okay. Okay. So I'm just moving the canvas around over those record albums underneath so I could rub down the sticker with a firm surface on the back. Well, that looks pretty good. It does come with these 2 medallions, and it looks like they have them at the bottom. I'm not really sure I'm going to put those on, but let's check them out. I definitely don't want them at the top. I think I'm going to leave these off. Well, that was fairly simple. I do like the way it turned out. Okay, well there you go. A simple wall hanging for Emma's room with just a canvas, some paint, and a wall sticker from the Dollar Tree called Main Street Wall Art Creations. And you can see like right there where they put that little sticker. Alright, well thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe below. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below as well. Bye.